Today we're gonna make a protein pancake. I found countless of recipes on YouTube teaching you how to make a protein pancake, but I'm not too sure if they're delicious. So today I'm gonna do a little experiment trying to figure out for you if I can make a protein pancake that's the most delicious out there on the World Wide Web. For today's recipe, I'm gonna use a food processor. It's a little bit wider and I find the ingredients can mix easier. In a blender, it's a little bit tighter and I'm afraid that all the ingredients won't be able to mix that easily. Let's stick to the food processor. So let's start off with the wet ingredients. Here we got 2 eggs. Here we have half a cup of Greek yogurt. We got 1 whole banana and just break it up into little pieces. And let's mix it up. Now let's put in the dry ingredients. Here's half a cup of oat flour. If you don't have oat flour, don't go out and pay extra for it. Just buy regular oats and grind it up in your food processor. Put that in. Give it a quick mix. Here we have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Here's 1 scoop of protein powder. I've tested all kinds of protein powders over the years, and I find that this one is the most delicious, and that's why I'm deciding to make my pancakes with this protein. I'm not sponsored by any of these protein brands, so you can use any type of protein powder that you want. Mix it all up. Now, to help enhance the flavor, you should put a little bit of salt, some cinnamon, and let's not forget some vanilla. Now, the reason why I'm using butter is because butter makes everything taste better. So there you have it. 5 protein pancakes. You're probably wondering, why did I put some maple syrup? It makes the pancakes not healthy. This video is not about making a healthy pancake. It's about making a tasty, high protein pancake. So let's do a taste test and let's discover together if it actually tastes good. Not bad at all. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and check out these other great videos.